Okay, not doing much. Keep your lower body quiet. Your head should always be tall here. All I'm working on is your club face. Hands are turning right now.
Yes.
Follow through's too big.
Yeah.
Here, record me from back here. Okay, still on. Okay. I don't want the ball to go far. What you end up doing is that you're trying to do this so much and you finish this time. I don't want that time. I want you here. So I gotta get you to know my club face is pointing like this on your wedges. Okay? You just end up doing two inch out. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So at least you'll be able to record that.